See and hear many more spectacular performance exhaust options for this vehicle or any other vehicle you wish. It's all on our famous YouTube channel. Simply go to our incredible YouTube channel, click on the playlist tab, and find your vehicle's playlist. Then buckle up. Since 1978, Kinney's has been producing some of the nation's finest performance exhaust. We've gotten to know hundreds of amazing customers from all across this great nation. Don't hesitate to contact us for your personalized performance exhaust needs. Check out the QR code at the end of this video to find out just what you've been missing. Kinney's has and always will offer free courtesy trouble code readings and exhaust inspections. Forget that Kinney's gift certificates and gift cards are a great gift idea all year round. Yelp does not hand out these kind of awards like candy on Halloween, but they've awarded Kinney's as one of the very highest rated and best reviewed businesses on Yelp.
Kinney's Street Demon and Tunnel Ram Performance Mufflers, found only at Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.
Don't forget, Kinney's offers K&N and AFE Performance Cold Air Kits. Add even more performance and efficiency to your vehicle with guaranteed horsepower. Kinney's has your air kit in stock right now.
Quality beyond the everyday muffler shop. The nation's premier performance exhaust center, Kinney's.
The quality goes in before this name goes on. So often copied, yet never duplicated. Everyone deserves the quality of Kinney's.
Hello and welcome to Kinney's phenomenal YouTube channel. This is the only place that you can see and hear your car or truck with our incredible exhaust systems on it. All kinds of different sounds, all kinds of different visual packages. We're going to show you exactly how you can do it without even leaving the comforts of your living room.
Now let's get started. Here's how easy it is. Simply go to our phenomenal YouTube homepage. And if you're watching this, you likely already are. Now, click on the Playlist tab. Then quickly find your vehicle's playlist. Now, all of your vehicle's videos line up just for you. Find the perfect sound for you, then choose the perfect look that you want. It just doesn't get any easier than that. Pay close attention to the quality of workmanship as well as the attention to detail. Furthermore, if you have any questions, give us a call. Kinney's is America's flagship performance exhaust center for a reason. Check out our fantastic social media sites. Check out our reviews. Check out our seemingly endless videos. Since 1978, Kinney's has been all about quality and customer satisfaction. Often copied, but never duplicated. We are Kinney's.